What's up, guys? So today I went to Walmart and I seen money in the parking lot. It was windy outside, and look, I found a 20 in the parking lot on a windy day. That's a score. It's a 2013 15251327I. Sweet, we got a 20. I'll take it. Windy day. Keep my eyes open for money out there. The finders keepers. So, yeah, it was in the parking lot on a windy day. Made some money. Check this out. Got some money too. Yeah, there was a penny way back underneath the soda machine at Walmart. I can't reach it. It was far away. Had to leave it there because it was really far away. But it was just a penny anyway. If y'all seen the video already. But we got a couple dimes and some pennies. It started with a couple dimes. Found it this time on the ground. 1986 Denver. A little worn out. But we'll take it. We got a couple pennies. Found these on the ground. Got a 1995 Denver. A 2019 Denver. Found it 12 cents on the ground. Nothing in the Coinstar. Just 12 cents. Alright. I'll take it. Alright. We got 12 cents that I got back from the self-checkout. A dime. 1998. Philly. 2019 Denver. 1983 Denver. So yeah. I brought some candy today. Look. I brought some Reese's Caramel King Size Cups. I bought 4 of them, but it was $7.88. Each was $1.97. I got $8. I got $8 in, and they gave me 12 cents back. Look, there's that receipt. I bought 4 of the Reese's Caramel King Size bars for $8. So, yeah, look. Here's the bag. I bought 4. Look. It's candy day. Caramel size big cups. Got some Reese's. I may have one of these later. Alright. Okay. That's what I got there. $8. Yeah. I'll get a few dollars back, but hey, find 12 cents for my change. There's the receipt that I brought. Yeah, we got 12 cents from the self-checkout. We got 12 cents on the ground. $20 in the parking lot. On the windy day. Yeah. Alright, you guys. That's an awesome score. Alright. Well, hope you guys enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe.